Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a lightbox in Wix. First, open your Wix editor and locate the Add Elements button on the left sidebar. Click on it to reveal a menu of different elements you can add to your site. From there, select Interactive and then choose Lightbox. Wix provides a selection of pre-designed lightbox templates, making it easy to pick one that suits your website's aesthetic and purpose. This initial step sets the foundation for your interactive pop-up. Once you've selected a template, you can begin customizing your lightbox. Drag and drop various elements such as text boxes, images, or even buttons directly onto the lightbox canvas. Use the design panel to fine-tune its size and position on the screen. You can also change the background, border, and shadow effects. Don't forget to adjust the overlay color and opacity, ensuring it complements your website's overall design and user experience. This allows for a truly personalized touch. Now, let's set up how your lightbox will appear to visitors. You can configure it to display automatically when a page loads, or after a specific time delay, perhaps 5 seconds. Decide if the lightbox should close automatically after a certain period, or if users need to manually click a close button. Additionally, you can link any button or element on your site to open the lightbox, providing a custom call to action. These settings are crucial for an effective and non-intrusive user experience. Before publishing, always preview your website to confirm the lightbox appears and functions as intended across various devices, including mobile. Test different trigger settings to find the optimal balance for user engagement and conversion rates. A well-timed lightbox can significantly boost your site's performance. Remember to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Once you are satisfied with its appearance and functionality, publish your site to make your new lightbox live for all your visitors to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.